Hey everyone! Welcome back to Automotive Greats. Winter is coming, and it's time to show our four-wheeled friends some love. Just like we bundle up in warm coats and hats, our cars need some extra attention to brave the cold. Don't worry, it's not about rebuilding the engine. We're talking simple, quick checks and swaps to keep you cruising smoothly through the snowy season. So, grab your keys and let's get those engines humming. First things first, we need to think about what winter throws our way: snow, ice, and freezing temperatures. These can affect your car's performance, from tire traction to battery life. But a little preventative care goes a long way. We'll cover everything from tires to fluids, ensuring your car is ready to take on whatever winter throws its way. Let's kick things off with the unsung heroes of winter driving: our tires. These rubber champions are our only point of contact with the road, so their condition is crucial. First up, check your tire pressure. Cold weather can cause tire pressure to drop, leading to reduced traction and fuel efficiency. Grab your trusty tire pressure gauge and make sure each tire is inflated to the pressure listed in your car's manual. Now let's talk tread depth. Those grooves on your tires aren't just for show. They channel away water and slush, providing much-needed grip. A simple way to check your tread depth is with the penny test. Stick a penny upside down into the tread groove. If you can see the top of Lincoln's head, it's time for new tires. And if you live in an area with heavy snowfall, consider switching to winter tires. These bad boys have a special tread pattern and rubber compound designed to grip snow and ice like a champ. Visibility is key in winter, especially when driving through snow flurries or on ice-covered roads. Your windshield wipers are your best friends when battling winter grime. Make sure they're in tip-top shape by replacing any worn or cracked blades. Trust me, there's nothing worse than struggling with streaky wipers during a snowstorm. And don't forget the wiper fluid. Top up with a freeze-resistant formula to keep your windshield clear. Now let's talk lights. With shorter daylight hours and often gloomy weather, having properly functioning lights is crucial for both your safety and the safety of others on the road. Check your headlights, taillights, brake lights, and turn signals to ensure they're all working correctly. And while you're at it, give them a quick wipe down to remove any dirt or grime that could obstruct visibility. Remember, being seen is just as important as seeing in winter driving conditions. Okay folks, time to pop the hood and show some love to the heart of your car. Cold temperatures can weaken your car's battery, so it's essential to give it a quick check. Make sure the battery terminals are clean and free of corrosion. If you're unsure about your battery's health, head to your local mechanic for a quick test. They can tell you if it's time for a new one. Next up, let's inspect those belts and hoses. Cold weather can make them brittle and more prone to cracking. Check for any signs of wear and tear, such as cracks, fraying, or looseness. If you spot any issues, it's best to get them replaced sooner rather than later. And while we're under the hood, let's not forget about our fluids. Check your engine oil and coolant levels. Consider switching to a winter-grade oil for better performance in cold temperatures.